got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. B.U.B. and cash, spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills, tighter than rose clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique.
All right, this is for all my people that are into something that's just a little bit different, you know what I mean? Got right here an 8-piece bottom. It's got the typical snowflake on the front 4, snowflake on the 8 teeth. But right here on that fang right there, that bad boy is a rose cut. You see the way light's hitting off of this thing. This is just a basic silver piece right here. Silver pieces are give you a little bit more of the platinum type look, a little lighter than white gold, but it's definitely a vibe. I can't tell you how many of these I do throughout the years, but generally people get real creative when it comes to the design work. So as you can see, this thing looks outstanding. If you need you one of these, holla at your boy, man. I got design for days, and we could do plenty different styles if you guys like. Let me know what your preference is. We can do this any way you want it. I've had somebody ask me before about doing the rose cuts on all teeth in rose gold, for example. That would be insanity. We could do that in yellow, rose, black, whatever you guys want to do. Holla at me. If you're on YouTube, guys, hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit that notification bell. If you're on here on Instagram or any place like that, make sure you turn on my live notifications so you guys know when I go live and I show these things off to you guys. So, man, I look forward to working with you guys. Stay safe out there, all right? Peace out.